over there? See him?
Probably. I don't know where the heck he is going.
Okay, just follow him till we get to our house, anyways. Okay.
His house. Probably. He's my neighbor, so.
Oh crap, is he?
Yeah.
Holy crap, you're his neighbor?
Bro, you're so stupid. Yeah. He's supposed to walk like over down that way, but no.
Yeah, well,
Unless, like, are you literally trying to make a YouTube video?
I know I am.
Yeah, he is. He's making a YouTube video.
Okay. Why do you have to look to see? Like, I swear to God, dude.
See that kid up there? See that little cussa? Yeah.
Dude, that's little, man. Loretta again. It's an oh my God. She killed Rudolph, man. She killed freaking Rudolph. She chopped her nose off. Yeah, it's my new book.
Yeah, it's an anime, Japanese piece of crap.
Oh crap. You know how many like haters if you had a YouTube video and I accidentally said it one time? And you said that? Well, you already said it. But you would have so many haters. They would be all girls. Half of them boys, but a lot of them girls.
Yeah, because I'm not a girl and I hate it.
I have to go.
I don't hate it, I just don't like it. And I don't.
Oh, is that really barf?
He didn't bark, guys.
No, I just gagged. That's how I gag. I needed to cough and gag at the same time, so it made that noise. Yeah, there's that kid also. Oh, I think that's Bigfoot, man.
Bro, stop recording.
Bro, why you do that? I haven't recorded for a while. So, I guess this is where I'm going to end. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Oh, and also if you would like to stay on, keep recording. Liking. Do it, I'll jump off my house. Do it now.